application was built using the Django Web Framework, which provides the foundation for server-side logic, URL routing, and template rendering. Django's model view template architecture creates a clean separation, where views handle the email operations through Python's IMAP and SMTP libraries, and templates powered by Django's templating engine, which creates the user interface. This application uses Python's built-in email processing modules, which are email mime and email parser, to handle multi-part messages and attachments to emails. For secure credential storage, we use decouple in .env, which is handled outside of the codebase, which is mainly in the settings file. We also included Bootstrap. Here is the settings file, which is the backbone of the client. This is where all the security configurations, email handling, and static file serving resides. It uses the Python decouple library to securely load credentials from our .env file, located right here. There are also some critical SMTP files that are fetched from our .env, such as email host, port, sender, and email password. All of them are listed at the bottom here. Some other important files are this URL file, which is where all our endpoints are listed. Here is the main compose email function. This is a Django view function that handles sending emails through a post request. It processes recipient emails like to, CC, subject, body, and optionally an attachment button from the request data. The function validates recipients, constructs an email message object with all details in attached files if present. If there are any attachments, it uses the SMTP SSL class to connect to the email server and sends the email. Email handling at the bottom ensures the user gets a response if there are any missing recipients, SMTP failures, or invalid requests. Any other request than a post request will be rejected with a 400 status error. Now I will be creating a new email. We compose. We will send our main one to my Hotmail. This to the Gmail project. And then this is a test of the compose button. We will send an attachment. Brand. Here's this. Click send. And here it tells us email sent successfully. We will go verify. First, it sends us to our sent, which shows us right here. We go to sent. It's right here. We already viewed it, so it's already grayed out, but here it is with the attachment. We go here to my other Gmail account, the CC. Here is the attachment, same email. And here we go to Outlook. And here is the same email. A complicated feature that was implemented was the Save Draft button. When clicked, it makes an asynchronous post request to the Save Draft endpoint. It then includes a CSRF token for security and sends all data as JSON. If done successfully, it will prompt the user saving draft was saved successfully. On failure, the error will be displayed with what went wrong, similar to the sending email. In the backend, with the view function on the right, at the bottom here, this is where it handles the draft saving request. It extracts the fields from the request payload made earlier, which also detects properly if any fields are blank or not. After all of this, it delegates to the above function for the IMAP integration. Here, it uses the helper function getImapConnection to connect to the drafts folder. Before continuing, it verifies if there is a successful connection. After verifying, it creates the my multi-part message, sets the standard email headers, and attaches the plain body. After confirming all the data before, it converts the message to bytes for the IMAP transmission. It then uses IMAP's append command with the draft flag and successfully attaches your email to your draft folder. We will be showcasing that off as well. Compose. Save. Project. And then let's say test. Click Save Draft. We get redirected here to the drafts. This is it. We'll check from Gmail. Refresh. Yep, and here it is. Another button you may have seen from the percentage save is the delete. It is also included in the composed email folder. It is as simple as it sounds. When you click the button, it deletes all information made on the form. We will test it again. Compose. And then let's just say we don't want to do this anymore. If you want to make a new email, we click delete. It gives us a prompt. Are you sure you want to discard? We click yes. Compose. And then all the information is gone.
Hello, Professor. I'm Jason. It's my turn to introduce what I've done for this final project. I did 3 functions, including inbox folder, send folder, draft folder, and the email detail window. Actually, the first 3 functions, they are kind of similar, because how they interact with the Gmail server is almost the same. The only difference is they need to provide they need to post a category name to the Gmail server. Then they can get back whatever we want. For example, for inbox folder, instead of giving our Gmail number and the app password, we need to provide this one is inbox category name, and another one is Gmail send mail category name. Another one is draft. After this, Gmail server gonna send us back the email list respectively, based on what we want. Then we push the email list to the front end. In the front end page, we're gonna say an email list, and the last function is email detail window, and it's almost the same, but we have to build a connection with the Gmail server first, and we need to provide the email ID with these 2 variables. Gmail server gonna send us back the email details, and after this, we're gonna push this email information to the front end. In the email list, we click a specific email. The front end is gonna pop up a window. In this window, you're gonna include the email detail, including the sender, the receiver, subject, and the email body. And the email body is a little tricky because it is not only about the plain text. Sometimes, most of the time, the email is with HTML style, so we need some libraries to deal with the enriched email styles. Now I'm going to show the live example of this application. Now in the home page, we're gonna go to the email tab. Now we can see the default email page is the inbox. We're gonna fetch, I think it's 20 inbox emails from the email server, and they have 4 columns, including sender, subject, preview, and time. Another one is the send folder. It is the same. they're gonna give me back 20 emails, and the draft is almost the same. Okay, let's check the code. For example, the send endpoint, draft, and inbox, these three, they almost have the same technology. We use the same thing. For example, for inbox folder, we have to build a connection with the Gmail server first. We're gonna provide our email and the app password, which is stored in the .env. After we build the connection, we're gonna get the email detail. After this, we're gonna loop all the email IDs. Then we got the full content of this emails. Then we push back to the front end. In front end, this is kind of easy to display the list of those emails. And now we're gonna check another one is the get email details. The different one in this view. We're gonna build connection with email server first in this line, and then we're gonna provide the email ID. Yeah, definitely. And then after this, we're gonna fetch the specific email from the Gmail server. And similarly, we're gonna push this email content to front end. And in front end, we can see, yeah, we need to consume this endpoint first. After this, we're gonna show the email in our front end. This is here. For example, this email. Yeah, we can see the whole styles are shown here with all the styles. Next one is from Twitter. We can find something, it is in plain text here. Yeah. And this is the draft folder. It's almost the same. Yeah. Okay, that is what I've done. Thank you, prof.